Hello everyone. Today in this video, we will be solving all the textbook exercises of lesson 2.2, The Midnight Stitch of Standard 6. Warming up exercises. Let's match the professionals with the work they do. Architect designs building. Data scientist analyze data. Archaeologist studies ancient human history. Nutritionist plans diet. Animator creates cartoons. Name the 5 things made from artificial leather. The things are shoes, bags, belts, car seat covers, furniture and jackets. Let's come on word magic. We'll find smaller words from these bigger words. The first word is chair. The smaller word hidden in it are air, hair. The next word is teacher. The words hidden in it are teach, each. The next word is leather. The words hidden in it are eat, her. The next word is ferry. The words hidden in it are fair, air. The last word is carpet. The words hidden in it are car, pet. Now we'll see how the fairies helped Denu and how Denu showed his gratitude back. The fairies helped Denu by making beautiful pair of shoes for him. In gratitude, Denu and Dania sewed beautiful and colorful clothes for them, as you can also see them in the picture given here. The last question here is, imagine you meet a fairy. What would you ask her to help in keeping your surroundings better? Here the child is saying to the fairy, "Dear fairy, please help me make our surroundings clean, green and beautiful forever." You will be writing the answer as, if I met a fairy, I would ask her to magically transform all plastic waste into beautiful plants and trees. I would also request her to keep our rivers clean and inspire everyone in my neighborhood to plant more saplings for a greener and healthier world. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please share and follow us.